Hi guys, I just wanted to launch this video today and say big well done to Mark Thomas, an action taker, one of our students. He's launched his first private label product and he's just started this month selling it on eBay and Amazon. He hasn't even been going a full month off one single product, and here are his results. Now you can see here in the last 7 days he's done £634 on his private label products. He's done, in the last 7 days, just on the UK platform, he's done £509. He's actually making sales in all of the European marketplaces now. He's still got to get his account reviewed, so these sales here have been actually made in less than 7 days because he has to actually get his account verified by Amazon. But you can see the product hasn't even got reviews yet and he's already making sales. So he's selling a product which is retailing here. We can see it's actually $16.99, so the actual sale price is $16.99. We've sourced this product from China for $3.50, so there's massive profit margins. So there again you can see just in the UK he's done £1,200. That's one single product without any reviews. He's also launched this on eBay. You can see it's a brand new account here, and you can see how his sales are starting to pick up. So in the last 30 days just on eBay he's done £411. In the last 7 days he's done 213, and you can see today alone, we haven't even finished the day, we're only in the morning, he's already done £71. So he's actually done, if you add the 213 to the 650, he's done nearly £1,000 in sales, and he'll be profiting around 35%. So in his first week he's made a net profit of £350 in profit in his very first week. Again, his product hasn't even been it hasn't even got any reviews yet because it's a brand new product. So that'll be the next thing. When his product gets reviews, his sales are going to increase even further than what they already are. We've already got his product ranked onto the first page just by following and implementing the training that we have showed in the Amazing Seller Success course. So well done to Mark, and this is the start of a very lucrative business for him. Thanks guys.